It's the most popular feeder in town. It's like I got a little hummingbird trough. I had to tie it on the banister because for some reason, this is just the third time I've tried to fill the bottle and I didn't even fill it all the way to capacity. But I filled it last night and tried to hang it back up where I had it on the hanger above, right up there. But for some reason, the wire around it is not holding it anymore. I tightened it, I fastened it like I did the first two times, but the bottle kept slipping. I thought, oh my God, my bottle's gonna slip and break, fall and break. So it's literally tied onto the banister now. I got it tied so they can't knock it off. And it's so nice when I see them feeding all around the red trough thing without fighting. When I see a line of them all the way around, just feeding calmly. But they've caught every hummingbird apparently out here in the woods and told them about this place. So they're all trying to come at one time. And it's 20 of them or more. I don't know. They move so fast, I really can't keep, I can't count, that's for sure. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, at least 8 of them or more. And it's 8 holes, I think. 8. It's more than 8 birds, isn't it? Boy, when they all come, it's woo. You see, they can do it for a moment, nice and peaceful, all gathering around the watering hole, communal, drinking. I only bought a small bag of sugar, guys. That sugar's gonna be gone soon. I don't know if I'm gonna have a car in time to peace. Peaceful feeding for a second. Peaceful communal feeding for a second. See, it's tied on there with that scarf. They can't knock it off. One's gotta always come along and disrupt the whole circle. They like the little flower too. That little flower right there has been getting attacked by the hummers too. I love it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for your continued prayers for Texas Hill Country strong. Y'all stay safe out there and stay blessed. Blessings. I'm waiting for my friend. They're on their way to church. The couple that's been real helpful for me to me. They're gonna come. I'm gonna give them my tithes to turn in for me. I don't feel really like going yet, but adios for now. Hope to see y'all in the next video. I'll be back, God willing. You're greedy.